Radiation hybrid mapping of genomes. A radiation hybrid is a rodent cell line carrying a small piece of genomic DNA from another organism. Usually, the other organism is humans. Exposure to X-ray breaks the DNA in the human cells. Fragments become smaller when we use more dosage of the X-rays. Fragment length determines the map resolution. Irradiation kills the human cell, which are then fused with the rodent cells, rescuing chromosomal fragments that are typically a few MB in size. Human DNA in the radiation hybrid is analyzed for a gene or for a DNA sequence, or it can be a DNA marker. Close the two markers to each other on the chromosomes, the more likely they are to be found together in a radiation hybrid experiment. This is a diagram that how radiation hybrid mapping of the genomes is performed. Here we can see that this is the diploid human cell, and with the help of X-rays, the DNA is fragmented, which is present in the nucleus. Then this cell is fused with the hamster or the rodent cell. Then after the fusion of both the cells, that is the cell fusion, viable radiation hybrids are produced that contain DNA from the hybrid cell, that is the DNA of the rodent cell, as well as DNA of the human cell. If we see that what is the methodology of radiation hybrid mapping, that standard somatic cell fuse contain entire human chromosome. To locate a gene more closely, you need to use chromosome fragments. Start by irradiating human cell with controlled dosage of the chromosomes that actually breaks the chromosome, and then those cells, they are fused with the rodent cells. The human chromosome fragments get integrated into the mouse, or it can be rodent chromosomes. Hybrid cell lines contain a random human chromosome fragments. So this is the methodology that how a radiation hybrid cells are produced. This is another diagram in which we can see that how with the help of X-rays, this is a diploid human cell, X-rays that degrade or cut the chromosomes, and then it is mixed with the hamster or the rodent cell, and the viable radiation hybrids are produced. Radiation hybrid mapping is a method for high resolution mapping. Exploit the ability of rodent cell to stably incorporate genetic material from the fused cells. Resolution is tunable. It is relatively cheap and difficult to compare results from different groups.